You need to change an outlet, but you don't know how? Well, I'm going to show you in 2 easy steps. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of I Can Do That, Yes You Can, and this is your DIYer Gregory. I'm going to show you how to change an electrical outlet. We have a situation here. A family member had one of those air fresheners and it was empty and it almost started a fire. So I'm going to show you how to change that outlet. It takes maybe 5 minutes to do, and I'll show you also what you need. So let's get started. These are the tools that you're going to need. We picked a USB charger outlet, the necessary wall plate that will fit it, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, pair of pliers, wire stripper, and a voltage tester. Now this is not necessary, but anytime when I'm doing electrical work, I always like to use these. So I'll show you how to use all this. Let's get started. For safety reasons, we'll make sure we turn off all power to that outlet. Alright, the outlet is completely dead. I forgot to record using the circuit tester, but it's safe, and I'm going to go ahead and take all the screws out. If you look, you can see on the wall there's some soot from the air freshener that overheated. So we wanted to make sure and replace the outlet so this is not a future problem down the road. So I'm almost finished taking out the last screw. I'm about to pull it completely out. Now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the wires from the old one and connect it to the new one. Now normally you have one connected to the right and one connected to the left, so you would do the same with the new outlet. Now Levitons are a little bit different. With the USB, everything is on the left side, so you want to make sure you go with the right connection. One goes to the copper, one goes to the metal, so your black will go to the copper, and that's it. Now all I have to do is just insert inside the port, tighten the screw, and do that to my second wire, and then connect my ground, and that's it. Insert the wire and then tighten the screw. Takes 2 seconds and that's it. Now what I'm doing is connecting the ground wire to the base. Everything's connected. I pushed all the wires back into the circuit box, and now I'm attaching the screws to the wall, make sure everything's aligned so I can put back on the wall plate. Everything's lined up, and now I just have to put in these last 2 screws and I'm all done. Everything's connected. Now let's turn it back on. I'm using my circuit tester to make sure I have power coming to the outlet. Well, basically that's it. It's a real simple process. It takes a few minutes. Just make sure you have the power turned off and just connect the appropriate wires. We have a couple of things in production right now, so that's why I've been a little behind in the videos. Make sure you leave some comments. If it's good or bad, whatever, we definitely like to see them. And also make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell. It'll also tell you when a new video is coming out. We have some things planned for the next coming months. Hope it is very helpful in what you are doing in your home and getting by. I hope you guys are being safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.